Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Idiot passes into oncoming traffic. A selfish driver doesn't check their mirrors and gets in an accident. I slammed on the brakes as soon as I see them. When reaching the roundabout, you should give priority to traffic approaching.
What the fuck? Crikey.
Is everyone who's waiting for signal crazy? How can he turns right from the left turn lane? Why are taxi drivers so terrible? Why didn't he do this before getting in this situation? What did you get by doing all this? I don't think you can drive there, mate. This is why it's important to brake early and not end up in a situation like this. Could have been worse if I was a second further ahead. What do you think happened here?
I'm sorry, Grandma. Oh, dude, this car. Whoa. This is gonna go for it.
I should have stayed and let the camera catch the whole thing.
Yeah, I was surprised you did it. Even when after I was like, wait.
No, but even then, I'm gonna
That exit must have been straight to a hospital. Can you focus on the road, please? This driver have a huge heart to bear all this. This is the scariest situation to be in. I think it's a good lesson for the driver so that he doesn't do such thing like this again in the future.
Oh, shit.
I told him to go potty. And then it was like, read, true or false. I gave you multiple options. You okay? I feel like they didn't have any lights on. They don't have any lights on.
Yeah, they do. Oh my god.
Idiot cuts off attempting a right turn from 2 lanes over before aborting and continuing on. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.